Hypotenuse value it is given. How many right angled triangles exist with integral side? Hypotenuse is given as 6. Hypotenuse is given as 6. X and y are natural numbers or positive integral solutions. How many values xy will take? How many values xy will take such that it satisfies the equation? Side odd number we took, side even number we took. Now we are concentrating on hypotenuse. Listen carefully, sir. Listen carefully. Listen carefully. Very easy solution if you understand it. If you understand it. So side whole square plus height whole square equivalent to hypotenuse whole square. X square plus y square equivalent to 36. X square plus y square equivalent to 36. Right hand side unit digit it is 6. 0 plus 6 it is 6. 1 plus 5 it is 6. 2 plus 4 it is 6. 3 plus 3 it is 6. 5 plus 1 it is 6. 6 plus 0 it is 6. These are the cases. What are 0 and 6? These are the unit digits of the left hand side. These are the unit digits of the left hand side. This is the unit digit of the right hand side. This is the unit digit of the right hand side. 0 plus 6, 1 plus 5, 2 plus 4, 3 plus 3, 5 plus 1, 6 plus 0. A perfect square never ends with 2, 3, 7 or 8. So 2 and 3 out. So a perfect square ends with even number of zeros. It has to be 0, 0 plus 36. 0, 0 plus 36. That means x is 0. Y will become 6. Minus 6 it cannot become. X 0 case. This case it is not possible. This case it is not possible. Any perfect square ending with 5, tens place is 2. Any perfect square ending with 1, tens place is even. Even plus even. Even. 3 it is an odd number. This case not possible. This case not possible. So this case also it is not possible. 0, 6 or 6, 0 it is the reverse. Answer is there are no right angled triangles. There are no right angled triangles where the hypotenuse can be 6. Where the hypotenuse can be 6. I hope the idea it is clear. X square plus y square equivalent to 36. Right hand side unit digit it is 6. 0 plus 6 it is 6. 1 plus 5 it is 6. 2 plus 4 it is 6. 3 plus 3 it is 6. 4 plus 2 it is 6. 5 plus 1 6. 6 plus 0 6. X square it is a perfect square. It cannot end with 2 and 3. It cannot end with 2 and 3. 2 or 3 it is out. Next case. Any perfect square ending with 5, tens place has to be 2. So these even. Even plus even. Tens place is always even. Tens place is odd. These is not possible. These x value 0 not possible. No value xy will take. Again we have taken a case where the side is an odd number or the side is an even number.